got a message from Josiah saying that he was going into surgery, and then turned out he was getting a tumour removed. Not many people would, on their hospital bed, be calling the other side of the world to make sure your fishing holiday's still going ahead, but there's not many people like Josiah.
This past winter, I was diagnosed with Crohn's disease and went through a couple of surgeries and a pretty lengthy recovery process that I'm still on. I have a new level of gratitude and thankfulness for being able to go on adventures, to take place in the journeys that from a very young age have defined who I am. From the time I was a little kid, I imprinted on the excitement of getting ready for a journey, whether it be a fishing trip, hunting trip, going hiking. I watched my parents get excited, so I got excited. The ability and blessing to travel to beautiful places, exciting places, and to do things that we truly enjoyed was something that perhaps at different times I did not realize how blessed I was. I had to confront the possibility that I might not get to get out in the mountains, get out in the middle of a big lake, get out on the ocean. It was a really hurtful and hard reality. My dad had a major stroke a few years ago, and I remember him fighting so hard in the early months after his stroke to be able to get back, going through therapy, working hard so that he could get out and get into the mountains and get on the ocean. And I found myself with an absolute vehement desire to rehab as hard as I possibly could so that I could get back out and enjoy those moments. I'm grateful for the fact that things that are really hard and maybe we don't understand do have a reason behind them, that there is a purpose for the difficult things that we go through in life. And I'm so thankful for that purpose. And so this trip is a reflection of that purpose for me. And I hope that maybe in a small way, I can encourage others to live life to its fullest.